In this video we are going to see how to get GPS data that will be useful in cognitive radio related experiments. Once you run the GPS monitoring experiment, you will get the location in longitude and latitude. You can also get the signal-to-noise ratio of the individual satellite link. At least we need 3 satellite signal with good SNR to estimate the location. Here, for calculating the location out of 12 satellites, 6 satellites are used because of high SNR links. You can also view the live GPS data. You can observe that the SNR values and locations change with time. To know how the GPS signals are processed, run the following code. More details can be found in the WiGuy user manual.